show you redstone, how to destroy a mountain. Okay, let's go. Where's my freaking rail cart? Oh, here it is. Okay, let's go to the mountain. Oh shit. Wrong button, sorry guys. Okay, now let's go. This will be so massive mountain explosion, guys. And see that. I placed TNT everywhere on that mountain. Okay, here we arrived. Okay guys, we are here. And this is how I'm gonna show you guys how to explore a mountain with this small lever. Wonder what's gonna happen. I didn't test this. Well, let's see well. Lag. What the heck just happened? Well, nothing happened to me is the big deal. And this is what will happen if you place all the TNTs on that mountain. Well, this mountain had survived. Okay, let's see. I see some TNT island. Let's check that out. Okay, let's go. It says jump. Well, I might let jump. What? What? Oh shit! I covered TNTs on the island. Now let's see what's happened there. Okay, okay. Looks like not a big damage. Yeah, and this is what happens if you try that. Guys. Okay, that's it for now. I'll upload more videos soon. Like and subscribe. Bye.